Welcome to our comparison video of Mink versus Silk eyelash extensions. Both types of extensions are popular in the beauty industry and can help to enhance the appearance of your lashes. In this video, we will be discussing the differences between Mink and Silk eyelash extensions, including their appearance, durability, and maintenance. So, let's get started. Mink eyelash extensions are made from the fur of the mink, a small mammal native to Asia. The fur is collected during the mink's natural shedding season and is then sterilized and processed to create eyelash extensions. Mink extensions are known for their natural, lightweight appearance as well as their softness and flexibility. Silk eyelash extensions are made from synthetic materials such as polyester or nylon. These extensions are known for their durability and affordability, as well as their ability to hold their shape well. Silk extensions are often thicker and more dramatic in appearance than mink extensions, making them a popular choice for those looking for a more bold and dramatic look. Now, let's talk about the differences. Appearance. One of the main differences between mink and silk eyelash extensions is their appearance. Mink extensions are known for their natural and lightweight look, which can help to enhance the natural beauty of your lashes. They have a softer, more natural texture that mimics the look of real lashes, making them a popular choice for those looking for a more subtle look. Silk extensions, on the other hand, are thicker and more dramatic, giving the lashes a more voluminous and bold look. When it comes to durability, silk extensions tend to be more long-lasting than mink extensions. Silk extensions are made from synthetic materials that can withstand wear and tear, as well as exposure to water and other elements. Mink extensions, while durable, may require more maintenance and care to ensure they last as long as possible. Both mink and silk eyelash extensions require regular maintenance to keep them looking their best. It's important to avoid rubbing or pulling on the lashes, as well as using oil-based products that can break down the adhesive used to attach the lashes. However, mink extensions may require more frequent touch-ups and maintenance, as they are more delicate and prone to damage. When it comes to cost, mink eyelash extensions are generally more expensive than silk extensions. This is due in part to the fact that mink fur is a luxury material that is more difficult to source and process than synthetic materials. Silk extensions, on the other hand, are more affordable and accessible, making them a popular choice for those on a budget. Another important factor to consider when comparing mink and silk eyelash extensions is comfort. Mink extensions are often considered more comfortable to wear due to their lightweight and natural texture. They can be a good option for those who are new to eyelash extensions or who have sensitive eyes. Silk extensions, on the other hand, may feel slightly heavier on the eyes due to their thickness and durability. Some people may find them less comfortable to wear for long periods of time. The application process for mink and silk eyelash extensions is generally the same. Both types of extensions are applied using a semi-permanent adhesive that attaches the extensions to your natural lashes. However, mink extensions may require more precision and care during the application process due to their delicate nature. The technician will need to take extra care to ensure that the mink lashes are applied evenly and securely without damaging the natural lashes. The choice between mink and silk eyelash extensions ultimately comes down to personal preference and budget. Mink extensions are a great choice for those looking for a natural and lightweight look, while silk extensions are better suited for those looking for a more bold and dramatic look. We are almost wrapping up. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.